According to the report, the Phone 1 will sport a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate support. The design renders reveal that the phone has thin bezels around the display and a hole punch cutout at the top left corner. The Phone 1 will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC. We have seen the same chipset on the Moto Edge 35G, which is currently the thinnest 5G smartphone in the world. As mentioned above, the Nothing Phone 1 will launch with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. There will be up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. The phone will also support 45 watts fast charging along with wireless charging support. There will be 5 watts reverse wireless charging support as well. Nothing Phone 1 will boot Nothing OS out of the box, which is based on Android 12. The phone will sport a dual camera setup on the back. It has a 50MP main camera sensor along with a 16MP ultra-wide camera. For selfies, the Phone 1 will launch with a 16MP front camera. The device will support Bluetooth 5.2, 5G, 4G VoLTE, LTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, a GPS, etc. It will feature dual speakers and a USB Type-C port but skips out on a 3.5mm headphone jack.